Yeah, she's. I'll see by to pick you up.
After we get this done.
After she visits this thing. This place up.
This used to be a bowling alley. I used to bowl here when I was a little girl. But now it's a antique store. And this is the brother's store. Because we did the sister store. Now this is the brother's store, but this used to be a bowling alley. And then down that way, right there, the next building is going to be like a bar. So let's go check it out and see what's in here. Yeah, I kind of figured he'll want to come out. Let's go check it out and see how much it changed in here. No public restrictions. Oh yeah. Oh cool. It's got some. Guess you can play some games in here still. There's the bouncy balls. This really changed. You're also going to be on the lanes too.
Condition from one of our top brands and get a new Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus on unlimited ultimate and Mark 7 and Pad S9 FE5G. That's up to $1,900 in value. So you'll save big on free premium. Hurry into Verizon this Black Friday.
Here's your records, guys. Huh.
33s.
Oh yeah? They got 33s over there?
You gotta have a special disc that goes in the middle. Run these on a record player.
Mm-hmm. I remember those. Grandfather used to play some of those. This is the 33s that he was talking about, my hubby. These are the 33s. Gotta be careful with these. They're not really sealed. There's your VHSs. You really got. This really changed, guys. I mean, like I said, this used to be a bowling alley. And I was on a league on the bowling alley a long time ago. Now they turned it into an antique store, which that was amazing. And like I said, you guys need to go to the sister store up in Belton Village too. This is the sister store. We haven't even gotten to the lanes yet, because you guys are going to be on the lanes also. It's going to be neat. I am so excited to come back here. There's some more VHSs, guys. Right here. Oh, no DVDs. Got a lot of collectibles here. Now what you're hearing is the game that I showed you. But yeah, I remember. And here's the main thing about this. There's your bottles. There's the lanes right there. The TVs. That's where you keep your score right there. So yeah, it does go a little bit back there. I think that's pretty neat. I'm glad they turned this building into an antique store, because I'm glad it's not abandoned. Oh, look at this, guys. That's where I work. I should have just got it. You got everything, almost about everything in here. This ain't a copyright on the video. It's just they have a radio playing, and there's nothing I can do about it. Down here. This is where you can get in the lanes right in here. This is so awesome.
Hey, Dwayne. Oh, we're just out here running around. We're at 30th and Market.
You know where it's at now, 30th Market of Canton, Ohio. Yeah, they got license plates. If you guys collect license plates that are for sale, they're only $10 each. Speaking of the devil, This is the lane right here. This is where I used to come up and bowl. See right here. You could tell this is still the lane. Right here. Oh, wow. Couldn't really get on the lane. This is the half point here. But I am so happy that I came here. You guys need to come to the Majestic turnaround. This is the brother store. Now remember, they have a sister store up in Belton Village. You guys need to go check that out too. I'll write both of the addresses in the description. But right now I'm in the lane. I'm like in the where the balls goes down the lane and hit the pins. I think I'm in number 2 lane. But yeah, this has got a lot. They've got Playboy in here, but I'm not going to show the Playboy. Wheaties. But yeah, they got tons of stuff in here. You're on the lane right now where the balls go and hit the pins.
Return.
Yep, that's the return.
And gutters. No, the bigger one's a return. One of them are a return. You know how long it took them to strip each one of these fucking lines?
Oh, I know.
They can't just move
They still got the speakers here too. They do have a lot of kids sections here too. Oh, they got clothes here too. Now we're going through all the lanes. Put the address in the description to come and check this antique store out. And I'll also do the sister store for the Majestic turnaround.
That's for nightclub party.
Yep, right there. Oh yeah. So you said that Ricky wants to come out and play? Yeah. That's alright, I'm almost done. But this is a big antique store, so I'm not going to catch it all, but I need you guys to come and check it out for yourselves once you come to Canton, Ohio. This is awesome. I am definitely going to be coming back here. Jack Sparrow. Jack Sparrow. The pirate. He wants waffle. Oh, remember this Mickey Mouse phone? Oh my God. Let's see if it's working. It's only $40 for this antique. Right there. Like I said, it's got some kids sections in here too. But a lot of cool stuff in here. And I haven't even went on the other side yet. Wow. You can tell that somebody's coming.
What this should have done is put the gutters in
Mm-hmm.
and fill them up, put lights.
Right, that would be
So let
neat.
the gutter in, put lights in.
That'll work.
You pulled here a few times, huh?
You did, but I was on the league. I was on the league here. Gotta remember, I was on the league in here. Sorry, I had to repeat myself for him. Look. Alright guys, I am going to check the rest of this place out. You guys need to check this place out. Like I said, it used to be a bowling alley. They still have the lanes. This place had changed a lot since I've been here. Like I said, think of me, because I used to bowl here. I used to be on the league here. It just brings back so much memories. I am glad that they didn't abandon this building at the College Bowl. You guys just need to come and check this out. And please subscribe if you are new at the channel. And I'll go check out other places. So you guys take care and have a very good weekend. And I'll see you in the next video. Later.